Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Hobonichi weeks that I use for work, and this is for the week of February 20th through to the 26th. And this week I will be using some stickers from Faded Chronicle. Some of these I actually bought as printables, and so I've printed them off on either white mat or clear mat. So those are the ones I may be using today. Let's get started. One of the things I had to decide first of all was what ink do I want to use. I'm going to stick to my On a Whim Woodworks in the Cool Tone Primary Manipulation. This has Pilot Iroshizuku Aji Sai in it. Yes, Aji Sai. So I'm off Monday, so I really only have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And I'm going to grab a, where is it? Because knowing me, I will probably smudge this. I normally like to grab some blotting paper, and I have a whole stack from J. Herbon that I bought. Where did I buy it? Was it my local stationery store? But it's just really helpful to have on hand, especially with such a wet nib and a wet ink. Okay, then, did I want to use one of the sidebars? I just feel like it takes up so much space, although it's so pretty. Or do I want to use these days? I don't know if I do. I don't know if I actually even want to use the white paper on here. But you know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to put this sidebar all the way down. This is like very delicate. I love Faded Chronicles stickers, but I also love the fact that she sells printables, so I can basically have them to hand as soon as I purchase them. I love them. All right, this is always the tricky part because I wonder whether I'm going to be able to put this down properly. Slow and steady. Oh, perfect. Oh, wow. I like that. And I don't cover the quote down at the bottom. It's just so pretty and simple. Love it. I'm going to then put one of these really beautiful houses, I think. Not the one with a leaf going down, but this one. Gorgeous. And just there. Yeah, so it's a very short week for me, especially since I started doing the 4 10-hour days, Monday through Thursday. I've started to notice that my anxiety level at work has actually gone down a little bit, so I'm quite happy about that. I think starting at 8:30 and having a little bit of time before my meetings start actually really helps me get my head in order before work, rather than starting right at 10 and going straight into a meeting. That gave me so much anxiety, but now I know it's only the second week, but I'm feeling so much better. And put you there. And I'm gonna add actually one of these up. Actually, I'm gonna decorate a little bit up here because I have the space to. Perfect. All right, and then now I'm gonna see, like, just how many stickers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the spread's already done. So I'm gonna go ahead and write in my meetings. So there is my overall spread. I love being able to decorate my Hobonichi weeks because it's so quick and still super, super functional. So again, these stickers were from Faded Chronicle, and they were digital printables that I purchased from her shop. All right, if you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.